That's a fucking funnel cloud, dude. Look at everything else and look at that shit. Funnily, huh? Look at everything else, dog. Just look at that. Nah, that's a funnel cloud, man. We about to get hit with a tornado.